Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Muhammad and Khan is back with another video containing solutions to question 7C of GSA paper 2020. The five girls to be denoted by A, B, C, D, E, and four boys W, X, Y, and Z are to be placed in three cars in such a way that all the four given conditions are satisfied. So the first condition that only three people can sit in one car. So a total number of people, five girls plus four boys is equal to 9. And the total number of cars in which we are going to place these people is 3. So 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3% each car. So the first condition can be taken care of. So the second condition is that at least one boy and one girl must be in each car. So we'll take care of that condition while putting the people in different cars. So the third condition, that A and D should remain together. It means that if A is to be moved, then D should also move in that car. So we can join A and D with this symbol. So the fourth condition is that if Z cannot sit with B or C, it means that if Z is to be taken out, then B and C are out of options for to be seated in that car. So moving the people in these three cars, if Z, one girl, is moved, we can safely put A and D here. The total number of people will be 3 for the first car. So any of the two boys and any of the two girls can be placed in the remaining two cars. So this is the required solution, but this question was a multi-solution question. This can also be an acceptable arrangement, that when I moved C into the third car and I moved one boy from the third car to the second one, so this is also an acceptable solution as it satisfies all of the given conditions. So a part D of the question was a theoretical one. If you have good googling skills, you can search for the question and attempt yourself. In the next video, I will be solving question 8, in which probability of people having different blood groups was required to be calculated. So for now, this was all from my side. Thanks for watching.